Sveiki, hello, and welcome back to my channel, everybody. If you guys are new here, my name is Nush and I make reactions here on YouTube. And today we're going to be continuing on our Eurovision 2024 National Selection Series. Specifically, we're going to be looking at the Lithuanian national selection, which is the Eurovizija.Lt 2024. And on Saturday, they had their third heat go forward. I've had a lot of fun looking at these heats. I'm really intrigued to see what else has made it to the final, which is going forward on the 17th of February. Why don't we start by looking at these finalists? So they have selected Shower and Pluie de Comètes. But before we do so, if you would like to see full unedited videos and extra content, I will be uploading all of that on my members only. So if you click the join button down there, you will get to see that and it will help support me making these videos for you further. And of course, if you are new here and love Eurovision, please do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel over here. That is very important. Clicking that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And if you want to follow me over on Instagram or TikTok, it is Nush101. Why don't we start with the first one, and that is Shower with Impossible.
Like music boxes custom made, inside this golden box to play. We can't forget the feet.
Oh, okay, flow.
Inside this little music box of eyes, so by chance you find yourself falling in love and keep the whole inside, just keeping it inside. No need to run, no need to hide. Your side to deep, your side fell high. It's not enough.
This is quite theatrical, isn't it? Ew. Ooh. He is jamming. Yeah, I like this. This is rapping. Is this rapping? Kind of rap singing. I like the tone of his voices. Really groovy. Deep. Ooh. Love that nursery rhyme sound. All these instrumentals. Very like audibly sound. The keys. Whoa, that was so good. I love that. That was really good. This is not my kind of thing at all. Okay, I do like most music if it touches me, but I normally don't like things that are a bit more down tempo, but that was just jamming in every single way, but also super like easy to listen to and pleasant. And I think that this is a lot more tasteful for a wider audience, and it's so different for Lithuania to have something like this as well. But yeah, that was just really, really classy, and I love that. It was really, really good. Okay, let's move on to the next one, and then I think I can see what my favorite will be out of the two. Really good start. Okay, the next one was by Pluie de Comètes with the song Be Careful. I need to be careful with my pronunciation, I think. Oh, lights. That's a cool entrance. Ooh. Another really like mellow song, but what's with the groupiness today? Yeah. It's almost like mellow disco. That bass. Yeah. It's very whispery. I love how the colors are like changing the vibe of the color of the dress, number one, but also just the staging. That's nice. Never be the same. That's a bit catchy. Never be the same. Oh, I love that. The LED. Oh, it's got a catchy hook. Instrumentals at the back. Yeah. Ooh. Ooh. The backing audio. I mean the vocals. Gosh, staging wise, that was so cool. Dude, Lithuania, you're doing something this year. Honestly, that was so up there in so many ways. How perfected was that in general with both those songs? I mean, yeah, the tempo has come down this week for sure. I'm really not mad about it. Kind of like the second one, Be Careful more, but I don't know. Shower was also just really unique in its own right. I don't know. I don't know what's going to happen with this contest. We still have to wait to see the Roop song. I think it's going to be in the next two heats. Well, it has to be in one of the next two heats. So looking forward to seeing what their song's going to be like. But we've already got some really strong contenders here, and I really couldn't tell you right now what's going to happen because it's going to be very interesting. But I can't wait, and I'm sure Lithuania, you're going to pick the right one because you've got a mixture of good ones in here, and I think most of these could do very, very well. So well done to you for that, and we're just gonna have to wait and see what the next couple of weeks have to hold. But of course, guys, that was just what I thought. I want to know what you thought of Lithuania's Heat 3 down in the comment section below. I'm gonna go, and I will see you very, very soon. Bye-bye.